Hi, this is Nidhi and I'm a part of Group 10 and I will be presenting on the topic Knowledge Discovery in Databases. Knowledge discovery in databases, or KDD, is the process of discovering useful knowledge from a collection of data. This widely used data mining technique is a process that includes data preparation and selection, data cleansing, incorporating prior knowledge on datasets, and interpreting accurate solutions from the observed results. Past research on data mining has mostly been focused on techniques for generating rules from data sets, and many data mining systems are great at deriving useful statistics and patterns from a large amount of data, but they are not very smart in interpreting these results. This is crucial for turning them into interesting and understandable, actionable knowledge. The KDD process has reached its peak in the last 10 years. It now houses many different approaches to discovery, which includes inductive learning, Bayesian statistics, semantic query optimization, knowledge acquisition for expert systems, and information theory. The ultimate goal is to extract high level of knowledge from low level of data. The steps involved in KDD process are as follows. Identify the goal of the KDD process from the customer's perspective. Understand application domains involved and the knowledge that's required. Select a target data set or a subset of data samples on which discovery is to be performed. Cleanse and pre-process data by deciding strategies to handle missing fields and alter the data as per the requirements. Simplify the datasets by removing unwanted variables, then analyze useful features that can be used to represent the data depending on the goal of the task. Match KDD goals with data mining methods to suggest hidden patterns. Choose data mining algorithms to discover hidden patterns. This process includes deciding which models and parameters might be appropriate for the overall KDD process. Search for patterns of interest in a particular representational form, which includes classification rules or trees, regression, and clustering. Interpret essential knowledge from the mined patterns. Use the knowledge and incorporate it into another system for further action. Document it and make reports for interested parties. This is a visualization of how knowledge discovery in database works. We have a data warehouse where the data is collected and stored. We retrieve the stored information, perform data pre-processing to induce more structure to the initial data. We combine this data with prior domain knowledge and knowledge bases to achieve useful insights that can increase the accuracy and performance of an organization. A set of definitions that are relevant in KDD is data, a set of F facts, pattern or an expression E in a language L describing facts in a subset FE of F. Process, KDD is a multi-step process involving data preparation, pattern, searching, knowledge evaluation, and refinement with iteration after modification. The discovered patterns should be true on new data with some degree of certainty so that we can generalize the future to the current data. This is known as validity. The patterns that we choose must be novel or should not be previously known. Useful or actionable, where patterns should potentially lead to some useful actions. Understandable, the process should lead to human insight, and patterns must be made understandable in order to facilitate a better understanding of the underlying data. Applications of KDD include fraud detection, where we use previous experience to determine whether the transaction can be classified as fraud or not. Marketing analysis includes KDD to understand what needs to be produced for customers in order to increase sales. Manufacturing applications use KDD to determine if a product is faulty or fits under a certain class. Telecommunication uses KDD to understand optimization. What are the different stages involved in KDD? The answer to this question is data cleaning, data integration, data selection, data transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation, and knowledge presentation. Data cleaning is the step that reduces the noise and inconsistency in the data that we're working with. Integration is to combine multiple sources of data. Data selection is to select data that is relevant to the analysis of the task that is in hand. Data transformation is the transformation or consolidation of data into appropriate forms for data mining or performing summary or aggregation operations. Data mining is the intelligent methods that are applied in order to extract data patterns. Pattern evaluation is when patterns are evaluated, which are retrieved from the data that we are working with. And knowledge presentation is to present all the knowledge that we've gained from all of the processes that are previously performed.